Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun Tech Reviews here. Sorry it's taking me so long to post another video. It's been just kind of crazy here with my regular full-time job. But nonetheless, I'm back. We're going to give you guys some great content. Let's take a look at our next product. Ecolor DreamColor TV LED Blacklight. It works with Amazon Alexa, also Google Assistant. You can sync with your TV, sync with music. You can do your own colors and also app control. Look at the side here. You can see this where you download the app. Here's some more information about the back. 12-volt DC in, 14 watts of power. Here's some more features. Sync up with TV images, sync with music. App control, dimming, DIY my colors, 16 million colors to choose from. So that's the box. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box and see what's inside. Alright, so first we got the LED strips here. There's also a little controller here, power, settings, and brightness. Set that aside. See what else we got in the box. We got our DC power supply, 12 volts. We have our little user manual. Kind of just shows you how to use the product here. So we have one remote control, one controller, backlight, one roll, adapter. It tells you how to apply it, and also download the app and configure it that way. Alright, on this side it just kind of shows us more about the controller diagrams and the buttons. We'll set that aside. Here is the little remote control that comes with the unit. Red, green, blue, brightness, I believe that's white, color, slow, quick, mode, music, power, play, pause, TV mode. We'll set that aside as well. That's it for inside the box. So now I'm going to plug this in and we're going to download the app and I'll show you how to set that up. Alright, so as you can see I have power applied. Here is the remote. We're going to take this little tab out to make it work. If we hit this button, it'll turn off the light strip. Hit again, turn it on. If we hit play, do TV mode. We can select different modes. It's kind of just a soft transitioning light. Different color modes, kind of fades in and out. Right now we're just going through all the colors. Now we're back to like a twinkling, slow transition. Now we're going to do a fade. And do kind of a more of a fade again. So let's go into slow. Click that, it kind of takes a little bit slower to transition. If we go into quick, we hit that a couple times. It'll transition a lot quicker. We can select the brightness. So right now I'm dimming it down. Hit it all the way up, fully bright. That's the full brightness settings. We can select our colors. We have red, looks like a yellow, a green, a darker green, a light blue, a dark blue, purple. Looks like maybe a teal or a white, red, and we're back through the colors. You can press the blue, the green, and the red. So if we hit quick, if we do music mode, you can see it's responding to my voice here. Clap. So now it's in music mode, so if we go like this, alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to actually connect this to the app and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go into the Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on what type of device you have. We're going to search for Ecolor Life and we're going to hit install. We're going to let that install. Alright, now that the app is installed, we opened it, it's going to add a device. And you can see it's scanned nearby, the Bluetooth device. We'll hit this. Then we'll register for an account real quick. Okay, so once you register for an account, what you'll do is you're going to add a device. You can see it'll search for that Bluetooth device again. We'll hit that. Scanning for nearby. Now it wants me to press a button on the remote, any button, so I'm just going to press the settings button. Now it wants me to connect to my Wi-Fi, so I'll do that. Put in my Wi-Fi password. Now we're just going to let it connect. And you can rename it, so I'm just going to leave it as that for now. We'll hit finished. Alright, so now I'm going to bring this Bluetooth device closer here for us so we can see what it does while I touch the buttons on the app. Alright, so let's run through the settings here that we have. As you can see, it's responding to my voice because it's currently in music mode. So currently under music, you have sensitivity, you have speed, slow or quick. So we do slow. You can see it kind of slows down when it responds to my voice. If we do quick, you can see it responds a lot quicker and responds with the light very well. We can do follow, we can do bubble, you can see kind of bubbles. We can do melody, so it'll kind of follow the melody of the song. I can't play any songs, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But I will show just a little bit of it here once I get this fully set up where I want this light strip to go. We can go into colors. You can select your common colors, so there's red, purple, pinkish, lime green, green, teal, and blue. You can also pick whatever color you want, so we can go like a light greenish yellow. We can do warm, like an orange, red, a blue. There's also scenes, so we click scenes up here. There's colorful life, so that's what it kind of looks like there. This kind of goes through everything. There's breathing, so it kind of just fades in and out. There's dynamic. That one just kind of also slowly fades through all the colors. There's snow world. This one's more of like a light blue, flickering or kind of transition. There's bonfire. That one kind of goes with like the flames of a bonfire. There's blue ocean. And there's automatic. So that one just kind of do its own thing. If we go into TV sync, you can select your TV model. And you can put the TV content in the box below. There's TV sync mode, saturation, and speed. Up here you have your favorite colors you can select. You have an alarm clock or a timer, so it'll automatically shut off at that time. If you go into your settings here, you can change your name, your Wi-Fi settings, your device model, unit ID, hardware version, software version. You can also delete the device. So that's basically it for this. One thing I do want to mention about this device is it's 12.5 feet long, so it should go the full length around any type of TV. I think what I'm going to do with this application, though, because I already have some LED strips installed on my TV, is I'm going to put it underneath my bed in my master bedroom. Just kind of give it some more life inside our bedroom there. So once that's installed, I'll show you that. Alright, so as I stated earlier, I did not want to put this on a TV since I already had multiple light strips on some of my other TVs. Decided to place it in my master bedroom under the bed, and it gave me about 12.5 feet, so as you can see, it just barely makes it all the way around. But what you can see though is it looks very clean. It works very well. I have it set up with Alexa and Google Home, as well as IFTT to do some custom control things. So every night at 5:30 it'll turn on, and then every morning at around 5 a.m. it'll turn off. And this is the color pattern that I like the best out of all of them that are available. I just like having this. It just looks so calming, and it works really well when it's pitch black in here when we have the TV off and the windows closed. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions or want to see anything else regarding this strip. I'll put a link in the description down below if you want to purchase one for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day.